YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. As you can see, we have a box in front of us, a rather big box, and inside is something very, very special, something quite rare, and something that I hope is quite intact inside of it. I hope it's not smashed to bits. This is indeed a 1981 Hoover Junior U2190 hardbag. So let's unbox this puppy. It was on sale on Facebook, and I jumped straight in. I went, how much and what's its condition and how much is it, and blah blah blah. That what you can hear is my new clock that I inherited from my grandma who passed away. It's an old clock. It will make some noises through this video. And I saw it for sale and I was like, yes, I will have it. He gave me a fair price. He gave me quite an extortionate price, but I thought that's fair enough, it is a rare model. And after a good discussion with him, we came to an agreement, and there you go, it was mine. So I hope it's in good nick. I hope it's been packaged really well. He assures me it's been packaged well. Look at this. Just going to have to rip it a minute. Jeez. Look at all this packaging. Look at this. Oh, hello you. We've got the handle. There's the handle. And she's in here. She looks intact. She looks okay. She looks okay, guys. Sorry you can't see an awful lot what's going on. It's been wrapped up beautifully, I have to say. That is fantastically wrapped, that is. Just to keep her protected in transit. Lots of packaging, but that is totally fine. Sounds like there's a belt on. Well, anyway, here it is. I'll deal with it in a minute. And here it is! Absolutely fantastic. Actually, in great condition. She made it unscathed during the transit, so that is great. It's got a belt, so that is good. That's a bit okay. Looking great. Let's have a look inside. So this is a Hoover model U2190, serial number U2190 109-02383. 1981. So, I mean, if I am wrong about that, then there we go. So, it's an 80s machine, definitely an 80s. So, let's have a look in here, as this one has the, there. Oh, that's a problem. I haven't got a bag. I haven't got any bags since I got rid of all my juniors. I don't have a bag. I will have to buy some bags, my YouTubers. So I'll have to use it very briefly to show you guys that it works. Well, I hope it works. So, oh, okay. So we'll put the handle on. Yes, I'm well pleased it actually arrived in the post safe. A few scratches and scrapes, that's fine. It's actually not too bad, especially for this rare machine. I've already seen the video of the guy that sold me it. If you're watching, thank you so much. It is absolutely mint. I love her. Just looking at her and seeing how rare she is to see her in my building. We put that on and feed it through there. And we're just now tightening the handle to the girl. There we go. Absolutely fantastic. I'll give it a little bit more tightness. Should be alright. Yep. Okay, so guys, I know it's got no bag in it, but we got to demo her, see what she sounds like. We will get new bags and then do demos, of course, with her. What's on the floor? Oh, hopefully this will growl. Here we go. YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I have to say, I will be keeping this for the rest of my life. What a beautiful, beautiful junior. Sounds really, really well. Growls that carpet. Like I said, I used to collect juniors, as you've seen on my channel. If you go through my channel, you will see loads of junior videos, because I used to collect them. And of course I got rid of them, and now I've got one back, this very beautiful U2190 rare machine, the hardbag version. Wow, I never thought I would get this model. Yes, very pleased with this, and you know who you are, you know the one that I bought it off. I thank you. Thank you so much for letting me have the opportunity to look after your old girl that you've decided, I don't want to collect anymore, I don't want to have her anymore, I want to give her to a good home, and you have indeed given her to a good home. We're going to get some bags for her. So yes, there we go, my YouTubers. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.